was struggling this morning to get up and work out, but here we are. We're gonna do this 30 minutes and okay, I'm here.
We have a run.
For lunch, I am having a blueberry smoothie. Blueberry, raspberry, strawberries. What the? Here are my chickens. Hi.
They want you to fill this out first, the top. And I'm like, really? Is that necessary? And then she said, we have to give it to the principal.
So we're here at Party City. I'm gonna grab a couple of things for Sydney's party this weekend. I'm gonna grab this banner for the hotel. And then I think 18 plates is way more than enough. I'm just doing his school colors. I think I'm just gonna get solid napkins because the paper plates already have congratulations. Oh look. A room decorating kit. You know, I could just go to downtown and grab these, but I'm like, is it worth going all the way down there? Oh, look at that one. I like that big congrats grad sign. How big is this one? Oh, 5 feet long. I think that's good. Oh, look at this one. Anyways, I could go to downtown to grab some stuff. Don't say that. I could go to downtown and grab some decorations, but I'm like, I just need like little decorations, and I think Party City is fine. It has enough. It's just a little party for him and his friends. Wait, do you see any cups?
Hi. Oh, I think they're over there.
Oh, right here.
On the right here. And they're blue.
Oh, no, but I don't want to get anything they have to pour. Maybe I'll just grab like Capri Suns and water bottles and... Hey! The AC is too high in Party City. Oh, this is cute.
I'm a queen of the night.
You know, it's a good idea.
You guys, look, I'm gonna add this to my vision board. Someone just army crawled his way all the way here. What are you looking for, Blaze? He saw something under the couch. Did you find it? Did you find it, Blaze? Oh, your diaper's still good. Does that sound good? We are gonna leave you on your belly so you can crawl around. I'm like, is the camera blurry? I hear another... Drakey, where's your phone? I hear like another TV going on. So I leave this on so I can get ready and they can be occupied. And now I'm gonna turn off the TV. Give me the controller, Drakey. I'm gonna turn off the TV. Oh, you're sweaty. Are you hot? We're gonna read some of their books. I'm glad to see him army crawling. Look at these strong little legs. He's pushing his bed. Good job, Blaze. For a snack, I am just having the pepperoni with cheese. Drake, are you having pepperoni and cheese or just cheese? Just cheese? So this is what I'm having. No crackers, no carbs, no bread.
Yeah, crackers.
Yeah, crackers?